To install Prime Slider Pro, visit your WordPress dashboard and explore the Plugins area. If you're adding a new plugin, an Add New option allows you to manually upload plugins. After clicking Upload Plugin, you'll notice an upload menu beneath the header. Here, selecting Choose File opens your local drive, where you can locate and choose the Prime Slider Pro zip file. You can initiate the installation by choosing Install Now. Once installation is complete, you'll have the option to activate the plugin immediately, which may prompt a few welcome notifications that can be skipped. After activation, a new Prime Slider tab should appear in your dashboard menu. To activate your license, the License section within this tab lets you enter the purchase email and license code you received. By selecting Activate License, the tab should reload and reflect a successful activation status. It will also show your used license details such as package tier, duration, etc. For added confirmation, you might also check the plugin dashboard list to ensure Prime Slider Pro is active. For any installation challenges, feel free to revisit this video as a helpful guide. Best of luck with your new plugin.